that the purpose of the project was to train 700 trainers in learning, blended learning design and implementation, animation, facilitation, moderation, tutoring, whatever. We introduce ourselves.
I'm Astrid. I'm Franco-German. I live in Cologne, and I am a storytelling facilitator and intercultural trainer. And Christian has done a very nice workshop at our co-working place around the battle cards. So this is how I got to know the method, and I think it's quite fascinating.
Elena Elizondo. I'm working at Lyon. Right now I'm in Paris. I'm just very excited about learning, for example, with the learning battle cards or with whatever method that might take me out of my comfort zone.
My name is Jakub and I'm from Poland. I'm part of LBC team. Just to give you a very brief history about the cards themselves, they were developed by 3 competitors at the time, all from Polish L&D or training and development field, that decided one day that they will go for a tool that will build a better awareness on the Polish market. And they were thinking about the portfolio of learning method that could be easily movable, applicable, that would be fun, and that would be informative at the same time. So they were thinking about the form it should take, and apparently the cards seem to be the very right choice. Those are the power bars that provide some features around a particular learning method. And the cards were supposed to be an inspiration and the awareness building machine and vehicle. And what is on the other part of a learning design process is the framework. The framework that you're going to use today also, we call it 7 windows of instructional design.
Elena, in 2-3 minutes, you just introduce the project, the top part of the framework.
So it is an electricity company, and we have a budget of 100 days, which could be more or less like 100,000 euros. Regarding the goals, they are because they have been identifying some training needs, and they need to learn the relationship between their synchronous and asynchronous modalities. So to have an understanding of what blended learning is, and how they can use it to change their current training methodology and strategy.
I have several questions actually, so I'll try to sum up the first question in terms of IT literacy. Like, I feel like you say it will be cost saving, but I feel like you don't need only to train the trainers in this literacy, but also to make sure that the trainees also understand how to use technology, and also in terms of investment for those for the technical surroundings. I have no real overview about the cost right now.
They already have, so this big company, they already have an LMS platform, and they already have several tools that they could reuse, but trainers are not using them right now. And as for trainees, right now we're focusing on the trainers, so that they need to be able to master these things, to be comfortable with them, and then we would take care of trainees.
Elena, you talk about evaluation, so I would like to know, how do you evaluate if the training has been successful?
It could be different ways. For example, right now you have people attending to the trainings and then having an evaluation afterwards.
Now, just give us an overview of, you don't have to go into the detail of each card, but give us the philosophy of the process.
As for knowledge, they would need to know what is an online, an online workshop, also learn some notions in gamification if you want to keep, I mean, they won't be all the time in face-to-face with their trainees, so they need to also learn some things about gamification when they don't have the class in front of them. And of course learn about building e-learning modules and doing some instructional design and everything that they don't exactly know right now. Then how did I enjoy Tamashare? So it was easy to install. I like to have to have this big board where I can have a look around to everything. I didn't know that I could move it at the beginning, but it is it is helpful. Also to zoom and to share. I mean, I would like to imagine something different than the metrics that we have seen, because I would like to explore them a bit further to try to make something completely completely different. I don't know. I would like to use them for something that has nothing to do with instructional design or learning, even though they are learning battle cards. I think the interview, there are some things that are useful for a lot of things. So I don't know, for making a video or for recording a podcast.
I see a lot of potential in the combination of learning battle cards and Tamashare. Thank you.
Thank you to you, Christian.
Thank you, Christian.
Thank you all.
Have a nice day and see you soon in Zoom or Tamashare.
Let's talk about that.
Yes.
Goodbye.
With pleasure.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Okay.